our precious puppies just starting to learn the little things, but these pictures on HLNTV.com were almost not possible. Police say their original owner left the puppies for dead after shooting their mother in the head. This story, as you would imagine, exploding on our Facebook page. People cannot believe how anyone could possibly do this to innocent puppies. We can't believe it either. The Legal Dream Team back with me now. Joey Jackson, Latonia Hines, and Janet Johnson. I want to read some of the comments to you guys and get your answers on this. It seems simple. Okay, put her away. Not so, though, varying state to state here. Sarah writes this. I'm going to read this. Oh, she's the evil witch. Saw the post a couple of days ago. So pleased they caught her. Let's hope the prosecution does not go easy on this. And Janet, I'll start with you.
Yeah.
If she's so callous and able to do this to the mother dog, and her explanation is she was bothering me, what do you think is going to happen to her?
Well, and you know, that's a predictor of a more serious illness. I mean, people who hurt animals, especially in a cage shooting a dog, I mean, that's a sign of someone who could hurt people. The bond was very low. It was $3,000. And sometimes you can tell how the state and the judge is going to handle a case by the bond. And if that's a reflection, I hope that it doesn't mean they're just going to give her a slap on the wrist, because this is horrendous.
It really is. And Patricia posted this. How evil is this? You scumbag pond scum. Her words. Lock her up for 20 years and stipulate that she can never have any species of animal again, ever. Latonia, can that happen?
Well, yeah. I mean, over probation, if she is sentenced and they're giving her probation of some sort, they can say you can't own any animals during this time of probation. Will they be able to do it outside of probation? Probably not, but maybe the local pound, if she ever decides she wants to adopt, they'll say, we're not going to let her adopt animals because of her past history.
Which is a good thing, you would hope. And Joe, I want to give you this question from Robert. He brings up a good point here. He says anyone doing these things mentally really should be evaluated, has no moral compass. She needs at least 1 year jail time, plus take psychological therapy.
You know
you
what?
would hope.
Absolutely. And it goes back to Janet's point, which is, you know, look, anyone who would do this, think about the evilness involved. Think about the lack of humanity and what it could lead to, other more serious things. And so it's completely offensive. It's horrible that she would engage in this, and she should be evaluated psychologically to see if she poses a danger to anyone else.
And as a prosecutor, as I was doing sentencing, I would say get a mental health evaluation of her, make sure that she's psychologically okay. But, I mean, it could just be that she's a mean, evil person.
Well, the most she can get is 2 years, though. I mean, that's the thing. We talk about 20 years. It's a felony, but she can get up to 2 years.
Up to 2 years.
Whether she gets maxed out, you know, it's hard to
Should
tell.
the legal system in general kind of value animals more so?
That's
Do you think
a
that will
great
change?
question, because even if you sue your vet for killing your dog, it's the price of like a toaster. You know, I adopted a cat. I paid $100 for him. I would get $100. To me, he's worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, and we don't value them at that rate.
But in this case, what I would say, I would rather have her on a longer length of probation than jail time. Jail time gets it over with. The issue is we don't want her to have any other animals anymore. If you have her on probation,
I want her to go to jail.
Yeah, you give her some jail time. You can have both, but you have the probation allows you to have her under your thumb.
And just briefly, I think, and there are two issues, jail and probation, but the other issue is it's a legislative question, whether the legislature could make the penalties stiffer and harder so she could spend some serious time in jail where she belongs.
I'm going to end on some good news. A lot of people want to adopt these puppies, and another dog is stepping in to kind of raise those puppies because they are so small. We want to know what you think about this. We know you have an opinion. Sound off on our Facebook page.com/HLN on the kids.